Hey everyone, I'm your host Whitney with The Buzz. 41-year-old Prison Break star Wentworth Miller has revealed he's gay. The actor came out in a letter declining an invitation to the St. Petersburg Film Festival because of Russia's recent anti-gay legislation. Russia passed a law making it illegal to discuss gay rights and relationships in public if children are anywhere near. In Miller's letter, he writes, "Thank you for your kind invitation. As someone who has enjoyed visiting Russia in the past and can also claim a degree of Russian ancestry, it would make me very happy to say yes. However, as a gay man, I must decline." The letter was posted on GLAAD's website yesterday. Miller goes on to explain just how upset he is with Russia's new policy. "I am deeply troubled by the current attitude toward and treatment of gay men and women by the Russian government. This situation is in no way acceptable, and I cannot in good conscience participate in a celebratory occasion hosted by a country where people like myself are being systematically denied their basic right to live and love openly." Way to take a stand, Wentworth. Actors often get paid a good deal of money to make appearances at foreign events like this. We wonder how many other Hollywood heavyweights will put their money where their mouth is when it comes to this issue. That's your news for now. Tune in later for more Hollywood headlines.